This is cute. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with her. Period. Okay, so I do have a couple of new items. Not really. Y'all, I was in that Sephora store stressed out. They was asking me, do you want full coverage? Do you want half, mid, light, hydrating? I don't know. Just give me the good shit. I don't have really expensive makeup taste. A lot of this stuff is from Target. This is my first time. I don't want to say this is my first time going into Sephora, but I don't be in Sephora like that. Why? Because today I spent too much money and I could have spent half the price at Target. So I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. I'm not a makeup expert, y'all. I'm trying. And with that, girl, if y'all have any recommendations or any tips for makeup, please drop them down in the comments. Y'all, I'm like, I don't want to say I'm just starting, but I'm not the makeup girly. I'm not. I want to start with concealer because I want to, yeah. This is the new Fenty, I feel like this matches. No, we don't. It's a little bit lighter. Bitch, you're not that light? Okay. I like that. That was real easy to blend out. That was real easy to blend out. Okay. That was really easy to blend. And I look really orange on camera. On the video camera, olive orange. Okay, so I need this bronzer stick. Fuck. This thing is concealer too. This is not a bronzer, so let me not lie to y'all. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty foundation stick. So y'all, do not be scared. Okay. But this is gonna be real light on me. I think I'ma just. It looks super light when I put it on. But once I start blending it out, it looks good. I'm not gonna go too heavy with this because yeah. And I'm also gonna go back with my concealer. I'm also gonna go through with NYX. I feel like this is lighter also too. And we're just gonna put it in the corner. Or I guess I could put it in between. I do not like doing my eyebrows, so we're not gonna do those, but yeah. And y'all, please judge me, okay? Give me some advice. Help me. I also want to put, I can just go. And I'm gonna go back through with mine and blend this together. This camera, I don't think it's showing y'all the truth. I don't think it looked that bad, but be free. So I think I'm gonna blend these two. Of course I broke this, but I'm gonna go through with these two. Is it supposed to be that dark right there? Okay, let's just move on before I start overthinking this shit. Powder brush, powder. I need to put this shit on. This is not cute. This is not. Let me finish. I feel like I did everything I need to do. What the fuck? Okay, anyways. Lip combo, lashes, blush, some more powder. Let's see. The girl at Sephora said she could teach me how to do my own makeup for $30. Maybe I need to go back. Maybe I need to go back. It's the packaging for the... But this is the blush. We're gonna do our little look combo. Ooh. Who is that girl? Did I do that? Oh, darling. Okay, I use NYX Body Butter Gloss. NYX Body Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie Biscuit. Boo, nigga, what the fuck is you looking at? Yeah. I could have did my eyebrows, but fuck it. I ain't want to do my eyebrows. Is it giving though? Okay, y'all. I did my makeup to go absolutely nowhere. Yo. Okay.